Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can add security bot to your Discord account. In order to set up security bot on Discord, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and open up a browser and type in securitybot.gg. This is going to take you to their official page, so click on Add Security. When you tap on Add Security, it's going to directly take you to your page, which is going to look something like this. Now click on Keep Scrolling and then select the server first of all and click on Continue. When you've actually done this, click on Authorize. So here you need to go ahead and add a bot to your server, so you need to verify your email for that case. So complete this procedure, then you can move on with the next page. So go to your Discord and then you have to go ahead and verify your email. Now that you've already added an email address, click the continue button and make sure to authorize it. Now as you can see that you've successfully authorized, now you can go to the server. And here you should be able to see your security bot. You can see this is the one. Now once again, go to your server settings. So while you're on the role section, you can see this is the security bot. So once again, head back to your home page and then click on this show more member list. As you do that, you could go ahead and press on security once again. And with that, you've successfully set up your security bot on Discord. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.